Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is S.L. Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at a common phrase, and that phrase is, let her rip. Let her rip? What does that mean? Doesn't mean to tear something. No, my friend. To let her rip means to start something, to go faster, to go ahead, or give permission. What? That's a lot of meanings for let her rip. Yeah. Here we go. To start something. You want to get going on this new project? Yeah, let her rip. To go faster. Ooh, you want to test out how fast this car can go? Sure, let her rip. To go ahead. To get permission. Hey, can we start the project even though James isn't here? Sure, let her rip. Got it? Let her rip means to start something, to go faster, or to go ahead and give permission. Why do we say let her rip? I do know, because let her rip comes from tombstones. Yes, tombstones, you know, rest in peace, but rip. And if you're headed into the afterlife, you can go ahead, get started, and get there faster. It's the beginning of an everlasting life. So, let her rip came from people who were looked at the RIP on a tombstone. What? Yeah, why do we still use let her rip for meaning to start something, to go faster, or to go ahead with permission? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this set of sentences, I hope. When we got in the new sports car, my friend yelled, let her rip. I looked at the driver and said, yeah, let her rip. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with let her rip? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.